if you want to hard reset your Google Pixel 11 by using the recovery mode, then first of all, of course, we need to go to the recovery mode. So in here, we're gonna use the power button and the volume up button at the same time to open this power menu, and you want to power off your phone. Wait for the phone to completely turn off, and once that is done, you want to press power and volume down button, and you want to hold these two buttons until you open the fast boot mode. So press and hold power and volume down. There we go, and here we have the fast boot mode. Now in here, we navigate by using volume buttons. And you're looking for the recovery mode over here. So keep pressing either of these buttons until you see the recovery mode, and once you see it, press the power button to confirm your selected option. Now let's wait for the phone to reboot, and then you should see the no command text on your screen with this dead Android logo. So now you want to press and hold power button, and once you hold power button, you want to then press also, in addition to that, the volume up button. So press and hold power and then press the volume up while holding the power button. There we go. Now in here in this menu, we also navigate by using volume buttons. So of course you can just press them until you find the option that you actually want to use. So in my case, it is going to be wipe data / factory reset. Of course, confirm with the power button again. And then in here, choose the factory data reset. There we go. Now our phone is erasing all data. And most likely you will be back into the main menu of Android recovery. So now at this point, you just want to choose reboot system now to restart your phone. And that's pretty much it. Now you should have the initial configuration one more time after restarting the phone. Leave a like and subscribe.